pTron Bassbuds Elite. First time connection. If you're connecting for the first time, take both the earbuds out of the charging case. Wait for the right earbud to pair with the left earbud. Now once you see the blinking LED light, you're ready to pair. To turn off the earbuds, you can do it manually by pressing and holding the multifunctional button on both the earbuds for 5 seconds, or directly place the earbuds in the charging case. pTron Bassbuds Elite also support auto pairing. After connecting them for the first time, now whenever you take the earbuds out of the charging case, they will auto pair with the last pair device. The earbuds can be used in both mono and dual earbuds mode. And for mono mode, you just have to take out only the one earbud from the charging case. Now you can take calls with one earbud as well as listen to music. Voice Assistant. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by triple pressing the left multifunctional button. Call controls. To answer an incoming call, just press the multifunctional button once on any of the earbud. To disconnect an active call, just press the multifunctional button once on any of the earbud. If you want to reject a call, then long press the multifunctional button for 2 seconds on any of the earbud. To dial the last call number, triple press the right multifunctional button. Music controls. To play and pause track, press the multifunctional button once on any of the earbud. If you want to skip to the next soundtrack, then press the multifunctional button twice on the right earbud. To go back to the previous soundtrack, press the multifunctional button twice on the left earbud. Charging the case. To charge the case, plug one end of the micro USB cable in the case and connect the other end to a computer or a wall adapter. And about the remaining battery, one LED means 25% charged, 2 LED light means 50% charged, 3 LED light means 75% charged, and the all 4 LED light means the case is fully charged. Troubleshooting scenarios. One earbud is not working. Place both the earbuds in the charging case and now take out both the earbuds together. Wait until the left and the right earbud match to each other. After successful matching, only one earbud will flash blue and red light. Now turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and it will auto connect with the pTron Bassbuds Elite. Earbuds not connecting. If you're not able to connect to the earbuds, then place both the earbuds in the charging case. Now take out both the earbuds together from the charging case. Now restart your device or phone and turn on the Bluetooth and it will auto connect with the pTron Bassbuds Elite. Earbuds disconnecting during a phone call. If you're facing disconnection of an earbud during an active call, then check the battery percentage. Usually your phone shows the available battery in your Bluetooth device list menu, or you can simply restart the earbuds and pair them again.